Hey guys, and welcome back to Cleaning This Mess. I have a few videos to upload and stuff, but I just wanted to come on here and tell you that yes, some of my Vlogmas videos are missing. YouTube has decided they were going to erase 3 of my videos, take away watch time that I have. So that's awesome and fun, but I am currently cleaning and getting ready for our trip on Saturday. Today is Thursday. We will be leaving for California Saturday, so that's gonna be lots of fun. Oh, sorry. I'm getting ready. Not getting ready. I already made Gabriel an appointment online. He said his ear was hurting, so what? So I wanted to go ahead and get him in there and get some medicine if he had an ear infection or whatever before we left. But this is just going to be a little raw video. I'm not going to edit this because I have so much going on. I have a Christmas Eve video to edit, a Christmas video to edit, and then I'm filming our packing video tomorrow. What was it, baby? What was it? What is it?
I want to paint.
You want to paint? We're going to have to wait, baby. We're going to take care of the doctor in a little bit.
I want to paint.
But it's just been a stressful day. I wasn't feeling good this morning, and then Gabriel wasn't feeling good. I am better now. I think it was just something that I ate, but he's complaining, like I said, of his ear. So I'm going to go ahead and get him in there just in case it's something. Even if it's nothing, rather be safe than sorry. But I'm going to show you the horses really quickly. So I'm under my carport, and then the horses
I want to go feed the horses.
And you see my chicken.
I want to feed the horses.
I think I have any carrots. You could check in the refrigerator. But the horses are so pretty. But anyways, I have a few video ideas that I want to do going into the new year. I have a goal video. I really want to set some goals this year and push myself to meet those goals. I've never really did goals before. I'm not really the type of person that can really stick to something. I have an issue with that, and that is one of the goals that I want to set this year, is really pushing myself to stick to a goal and actually, you know, completing something. And of course I have YouTube, and I want to work on my Instagram, and there's just a bunch of different things that I want to go over. But we didn't have any carrots, so we'll have to get some carrots. But I just, like I said, just wanted to come on here and
Pet the horses.
tell you that yes, 3 videos are
Pet the
missing.
horses.
Why YouTube decided to erase 2 cleaning videos and my decorating my Christmas tree video. I don't understand why they would erase those.
It erased your decoration.
Yeah, YouTube erased the one where we decorated the Christmas tree. Like, there was nothing in them. Like, no, I don't use copyrighted music. My kids aren't running around with, you know, no clothes on. They all have their clothes on. We were literally just decorating the Christmas tree. And then in 2 of my videos, I was cleaning.
I had no shirt.
So
I had no shirt in the decoration.
that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. That's fine. It is. I've read the YouTube guidelines and YouTube, all of the stuff. I've read it to see what I can and can't post. But I guess that's going to be it, because I still have so much laundry to do before I can finish packing. I've got Samson's suitcase almost ready to go.
To California.
Yes, to California. But I will see you in the next one. That's probably going to be you were shaking me too much. I can't film when you shake me. That'll probably be my Christmas Eve video. It's going to be short. It was just the kids opening a couple of presents. And then the Christmas video, of course, will be after that. And then after that, you will see my packing video, and then us getting on a plane and heading to California. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna go. I gotta do stuff. Gabriel's got a doctor's appointment. I'll see you guys later.